Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a case of post-menopausal hematometra due to vaginal stenosis. You can see the uterus and urinary bladder, and a collection of fluid is seen in the proximal portion of the uterus near the cervix. The patient is aged about 52 years, a female patient, and she has been in the menopausal stage since the last 2 to 3 years. Acquired obstruction to the lower female genital tract is rare. Hematometra is a retention of blood in the uterine cavity caused by obstruction to menstrual flow at the level of uterus, cervix, or vagina. You can see the fluid collection in the proximal portion of the uterus and near the cervix. This is the collection. Hematometra is a pathological collection of blood in the uterus. It is a rare condition that is most commonly associated with congenital anomalies or prior surgical procedures causing an obstruction to the genitourinary outflow tract. Appearance of the cervical stenosis on ultrasound is it may appear as a narrowing of the endocervical canal. Normal diameter is 0.5 to 3 centimeter, or it may manifest as complete obliteration of the cervical os, preventing insertion of the hysterosalpingographic catheter. You can see the collection. A thick fluid is seen in the proximal portion of the uterus near the cervix. Hematometra typically presents as cyclic cramping pain in the midline of the pelvis or lower abdomen. Patient also report urinary frequency and urinary retention. Again, you can see the uterus. A mass is also seen in the middle portion of the uterus, a fibroid near the interior wall. You can see the blood flow in the mass. Quite a significant blood flow is seen. The mass is seen in the middle portion of the uterus near the interior wall. This is a hematometra, the collection of blood debris in the proximal portion of the uterus. Now this is again the mass, a fibroid, and this mass measures about 31.7 millimeter into 18.6 millimeter. Now the causes of this uterus full of blood, you can see a significant blood flow in the uterus and the mass. Pregnancy is a common cause of uterus with full of blood. Polyp or fibroid in the uterus can also cause bleeding. Rarely a thyroid problem, infection of the uterus, infection of the cervix, or cancer of the uterus can cause abnormal uterine bleeding. In most women, abnormal uterine bleeding is caused by a hormone imbalance. You can see the uterus, uterine mass, and the hematometra, collection of blood in the uterus. Now, how to get rid of this blood clot in the uterus? NSAIDs, that is non-steroid anti-inflammatory drugs. If you take anti-inflammatory like ibuprofen or naproxen a few days before the period starts. They may help lighten the bleeding. The best treatment for cervical stenosis is, in most cases, cervical spinal stenosis are successfully treated with non-surgical techniques such as pain and anti-inflammatory medicines. Depending on the extent of nerve involvement, some patients may need to temporarily restrict their activities and wear a cervical collar or neck brace for a time. Now, how to fix these cervical stenosis? Cervical stenosis is treated only if women have symptoms, a hematometra or pyometra. Then the cervix may be widened, that is dilated, by inserting small lubricated metal rods dilators through its opening, then inserting progressively larger dilators. Hematometra is usually treated by surgical cervical dilatation to drain the blood from the uterus. Other treatment targets the underlying cause of the hematometra. For example, a hysteroscopy may be required to reset adhesions that have developed following a previous surgery. Again, you can see the fluid collection. Now, when the uterus is not properly contracting, blood can pool and coagulate inside the well of the uterine cavity and form into clots that are later expelled. Uterine obstructions can be caused by fibroids or endometriosis. Now, the abnormal uterine bleeding is a bleeding between monthly periods. Prolonged bleeding or an extremely heavy period. This can be caused by hormonal changes, cancer, fibroid polyps, or early pregnancy. Again, you can see the hematometra. Hematometra or hemometra is a medical condition involving collection of or retention of blood in the uterus. It is most commonly caused by congenital anomalies of the cervix or uterus. Less commonly, it can be acquired due to processes that cause obstruction of the cervical canal. You can see the hematometra, collection of the blood in the uterine cavity. Now the affected portion, measurement of the affected portion, or the measurement of the collection of the fluid, and it measures about 38.5 millimeter into 31.7 millimeter. Now the volume of the fluid can be measured. It measures about 32 to 35 milliliter. Thanks for watching. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.